So I'm going to be talking about how to draw conclusions from data, and we're going to be using equal ratios to do that. This question, if you're using the statistics packet and you're on page 18, number 3 talks about a carnival game and where people are throwing and they get 5 shots at making a ball in the hoop. And these are the numbers. So each of these are 20 people, and so 2 of them didn't make it at all. That'd be me. And then 3 people made it 1 time, and over here 3 people made it 5 times. And this is the number of people who made it 2 and 3 times. Okay, so when you add them all together, there should be 20 people here. So from here we can see that 3 people made it every time. So the question is then, if that's 3 out of 20 players made every basket, how many out of 300? If you had 300 people playing this game, how many would make all 5 baskets? So you might want to know that question because let's say getting 5 baskets, you get the grand prize. So they want to know how many grand prizes to have. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to set up a ratio of 3 out of 20. So the 3 represents the number of people who have made all 5 baskets, and the 20 represents the 20 total in our survey. We're going to assume that's representative and that works, that can be scaled up, that the 20 represents the 300 total people. And then we're going to use that to figure out, well, then how many out of 300? So to solve that, once I set the proportion, I have the totals together on the bottom and the number of people who make all 5 baskets on the top. So side-by-side matches. What I'm going to do now to solve this is my first step, I'm going to take this fraction on the left and I'm going to divide and simplify first. And I'm going to get 0.15 equals x divided by 300. So now I have an equation that says x divided by 300 equals 0.15. So the opposite of divide is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 300 to isolate the x. Students are coming, so I'm making sure I have my mask on. Anyway, so now I'm going to multiply on the left. I'm going to multiply 300 by 0.15, and I get 45. I don't have room to write it down. And by multiplying by 300, these 300s cancel out. So I have 45 equals x. So this 45 represents the number of people who we predict would make all 5 baskets. So 45 should, or possibly, and I would say about 45, because it's not exact. So 45 should make all 5. So that is how we set up a ratio, equal ratios, to be able to make predictions. Thanks.